Scorpio. I hope you're doing well. This is your July 2021 reading, and I'm going to cater to a few questions that will help you to smoothly sail into July. There are a lot of retrogrades that are there, like Jupiter is retrograde, Saturn is retrograde, Mars moves into the sign of Leo around mid of July. Sun will move from Gemini to Cancer. Mars will move into, okay, so you have 9 of Swords. So Mars moving from Cancer to Leo, and Sun moves from Gemini to Cancer. So a lot of things happening this month. In this month of July 2021. So your overall reading, Scorpio, is 9 of Swords. And before we start, this video is for you if your Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus are in the signs of Scorpio. Okay. So Scorpio, July 2021 reading, I think somewhere down there is some worry that you currently into, you're overthinking. Please sleep well, Scorpio. What is going on in your head? It seems that your mind isn't at rest. You thinking, you planning, you afraid of something of that sort is what I am seeing. Just take care of your mind, because that's very important during these retrograde seasons and July month. All right, so before, I'll keep it as our overall thing. So the very first question I'm going to cater to is, what is the energy you currently have, which takes you towards July 2021? And what is your current energy? Okay, so that's Lovers. Scorpio, you have major arcana of Gemini here. Okay. One more, and 10 of Pentacles. Is it that you're looking for some long-term commitment, and is that what you are overthinking on? Look, these two cards, if I talk about these two cards are very divinely guided cards. So Lovers, if you can see, has an angel here. Okay, and moreover, Scorpio, you have 10 of Pentacles. So 10 of Pentacles is basically, in Kabbalist interpretation, it is in sync with the Tree of Life. So Tree of Life is one of those concepts wherein the good and the evil, they are balanced in your life. So probably that is what is the energy you currently have, and probably that is what you are thinking at the moment. So I don't think this thinking has anything to do with negative. I think you're looking towards some sort of commitment and stability in your life. All right. So what is it that you don't see coming in July 2021, Scorps? Let's see that. All right, so these two cards, let's see. So you don't see coming is 8 of Wands in reverse and Hierophant. Okay, so what you don't see coming is some sort of lethargy and some sort of missing, some sort of bad talks. Okay, you need to keep faith in your own self. It's very important. I'm getting a lot of relationship things here, that you're bothered about. In July, there can be some sort of gossip, backbitching, deceiving, loss, communication gap. Yeah. Probably you're very much zealed, you're moving towards, you want something and you're moving towards that with a lot of zeal and positivity that you have to maintain. This is what is Hierophant saying, that maintain that energy. This Hierophant is a card of faith. Okay, it is a card which says whatever happens, do not leave the side of faith. Okay, and 5 is the number. It is a Taurian card, so this is also Taurus, Virgo, and this is Gemini. This is Taurus again. So Scorpio, I think you're dealing with Scorpio, somebody like maybe a Gemini. And if you know Taurus, Scorpio, Taurus is your 7th house of partnership. So in case you're looking for some partnership, if at all it is something to do with that partnership or contract or a commitment, there can be loss of communication or a communication gap in July. What is the piece of advice from the spirits, gods, angels for you, Scorps? Let's see that. Okay. Okay, 5 of cups and sun. Wow, nice. Okay, bear with me please, Scorps, because there's a new arrangements for the reading and I'm not used to this. Okay, so 5 of cups is, if you can see this person, there's a lot of hurt around. Okay, he's looking towards the 3 cups that have fallen, the kind of missed opportunities you have had in your life, or people might have left you in dark, but there are 2 cups behind him, which is which actually means that things are not that dark. So sun is the advice. So these 2 are the advices, that whatever might have happened, do not look towards trivial matters or day-to-day matters. Have faith, and sun card is the card of healing, seeing things from a higher perspective, new beginning, clarifications, revelations, you start to see the divine help and support coming your way. So sun is a very bright card. You have 3 major arcanas here, with 10 of Pentacles, which is almost a kind of a major arcana because it has tree of life depicted in it. So guys, I think Scorpio, you don't have to worry. There can be few ups and downs. You are seeing the missed opportunities, or maybe you are more concerned about why somebody is not talking to you or is not reverting back to you, and probably that is what you're thinking and overthinking about. That's the overall energy for you that came. So, but these cards like 10 of Pentacles, Hierophant, Sun, Lovers, they're actually telling me that things are not that gloomy. Come on, cheer up. Okay, so let's see. Let me draw 2 more cards for an overall energy for you. Let's see what happens. What is it that we need to do? So your piece of advice is to stay hopeful, stay positive, look into all the directions. There can be adjacent possibilities, and what you're not seeing is what is sun telling you to see. Okay, so yeah, and yeah, here also in Lovers card also we have sun. So sun is definitely playing a great role. 5 is the card. 5 is the number. You have 5 Hierophant and 5 of Cups here. 5 is the number of major change coming your way. This is a card that flew for you. 10. We have 2 10s here. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Wands. So it's like you overburdening yourself with things that with maybe negativities, I believe. So that's not the right way, Scorps. So don't overthink, don't give up. Things are not that gloomy. For you, July seems to be smooth only if you have faith, because faith is very important. Having that positive attitude is very important. Whether you're dealing, see, Lovers and Hierophant, 10 of Pentacles, Sun, these are like new beginning. So in spite of what burdens you have or you're overthinking, you might have see people not taking action. Lethargy rules them, or lethargy rules you. There is mismatch of energy between you and the others, and there's a lot of hurt or whatever. Things are fine. It will be fine, because that is what is the advice you're getting. And overall energy is what you don't see coming is Hierophant. Hierophant is like a very protective spiritual energy around you, or a religious energy around you, which is asking you to please have faith. We have Angels card here, okay? So Sun is here, which is anyways telling you that look at the brighter side of the things. One more card for you. Yeah, That's what I was telling you. Healing. Four of Swords is like sleep well, take care of your health, do not overburden yourself, just like Ten of Wands. Um, and do take naps in between. Don't overthink. Don't overburden yourself with responsibilities and thoughts and burdens that are not yours. Yeah, so these two cards are actually the cards of sleeping nicely and taking care of your health and mind. So that's your overall energy advice that I'm getting. Scorp, so yeah, let me just see if there is anything else that we can talk about. Let's see what is at the bottom of the deck. Oh, Five of Pentacles. So guys, Five of Pentacles is a card of feeling abandoned and left in the cold. And again, it is similar to Five of, we have a lot of five, so major transformation happening in your life in July 2021, guys. Do not stay put with anything negative in your environment, because your life is your responsibility, Scorps, and do not let any foreign energy sway you away from your path. That is what I can request you to, because Five of Pentacles is like, feeling abandoned and left out, and having no help. But the divine is saying that, it's a church scene, so it is basically telling you that, the divine is there. Have faith, yeah, come on, I am with you. So buddy, cheer up. That's what is coming up for you. All right, Scorps, this is a very wonderful reading. Thank you for this, and do share your whatever this mismatch of communication and burdens you have. I would love to read your comments, and if you like this video, share it with your loved ones, and let me know. Take care. Bye bye.